Good morning! Welcome to FitZone Gym. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'm interested in joining the gym. Can you tell me about the membership options?
Of course, we have several options. Are you looking for a monthly membership or something longer?
Well, I'm not sure yet. What do you have?
We have monthly, 3-month, 6-month, and yearly memberships. The longer you commit, the cheaper it is per month.
Okay, how much is the monthly membership?
The monthly membership is $50 per month. You can cancel any time with 30 days notice.
I see. And what about the yearly one?
The yearly membership is $480 for the whole year. That's $40 per month, so you save $10 every month.
That's a good deal. And what's included in the membership?
You get access to all gym equipment, the swimming pool, and the sauna. You can come anytime during our opening hours.
What are the opening hours?
We're open Monday to Friday from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. On weekends, we open from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m.
That's convenient. Do you have group classes too?
Yes, we have many classes: yoga, Pilates, spinning, Zumba, and boxing. They're all included in the membership.
Really? That's great. I'm interested in yoga. How many classes per week?
We have yoga classes every day. Let me show you the schedule. See? Morning classes at 7 a.m. and evening classes at 6 p.m.
Perfect. I can come in the evening after work. Do I need to book the classes?
Yes, you need to book through our app or at the reception. Each class has a maximum of 20 people.
Okay, that makes sense. And do I need to bring my own equipment?
No, we provide everything: yoga mats, towels, water bottles. You just need to bring comfortable clothes and sports shoes.
Great. Can I try the gym first before I join?
Of course, we offer a free one-day trial. Would you like to try it today?
Actually, yes, that would be helpful. What do I need to do?
Just fill out this form with your name, phone number, and email. Then I'll give you a temporary card.
Here you go.
Thank you. Here's your day pass. You can use all the facilities today. The locker rooms are downstairs.
Perfect. And if I decide to join today, do I get any discount?
Yes, if you sign up today after your trial, we give you 15% off your first month.
That's a good offer. I think I'll try everything today and decide.
Sounds good. Do you have any other questions?
Yes, actually. Are there personal trainers available?
Yes, we have certified personal trainers. They're not included in the basic membership, but we have special packages.
How much does that cost?
It depends. One session is $35, or you can buy a package: 5 sessions for $150, or 10 sessions for $280.
I see. Maybe I'll try that later. For now, I just want to try the gym.
No problem. Take your time and explore. If you need anything, just come back to the reception.
Great. One more question. Is there a cafe or snack bar here?
Yes, we have a juice bar near the entrance. They sell protein shakes, smoothies, and healthy snacks.
Perfect. I think I have everything I need to know. Thank you so much for your help.
You're very welcome. Enjoy your workout today. The changing rooms are downstairs and the main gym is on the second floor.
Thank you. I'll see you later when I finish.
Great. Have a good workout.
Thanks. Bye for now.
Bye. See you later.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Style Plus. Can I help you with anything today?
Hi. Yes, please. I'm looking for a jacket. Something casual for every day.
Sure. We have many jackets. What color do you like?
Maybe black or blue? Something that goes with everything.
Good choice. Follow me, please. The jackets are over here. What size do you wear?
I usually wear medium, sometimes small, it depends.
Okay, let me show you some options. This black jacket is very popular. It's light and comfortable.
Oh, that's nice. How much is it? This one is $65. But we have a sale today, 20% off everything.
Really? That's great. So, that's about $52, right?
Yes, exactly. A very good price.
Can I try it on?
Of course, the fitting room is right there, in the corner. Here, take the jacket.
Thank you.
I think this is a bit too big for me.
Let me see. Yes, it looks loose. Would you like to try a small size?
Yes, please. Do you have this in small?
Let me check. Yes, we do. Here you go.
Thanks, I'll try this one.
This fits much better. I like it. But do you have this jacket in blue? I want to see both colors.
Let me look. Yes, we have blue in small size too. Here it is.
Perfect. Can I try this one as well?
Of course, take your time.
I really like both of them. It's hard to choose.
They both look great on you. The black is more classic, but the blue is nice for spring and summer.
That's true. Well, I think I'll take the blue one. It's brighter and more fun.
Excellent choice. Is there anything else you need? We have jeans, shirts, and dresses on sale too.
Actually, I need new jeans. Where are they?
The jeans are right over there next to the jackets. What style do you like? We have skinny, straight, and wide leg jeans.
I prefer straight jeans. They're more comfortable for me.
Sure, what size?
Size 28, please.
Let me get those for you. Here are 2 pairs, one dark blue and one light blue. Both are on sale.
Great. How much are they?
The dark ones are $45, and the light ones are $40. With the 20% discount, the dark ones are $36, and the light ones are $32.
That's a really good deal. I'll take the dark blue jeans.
Would you like to try them first?
Yes, that's a good idea. These fit perfectly. I'll take them.
Wonderful. So you're taking the blue jacket and the dark blue jeans?
Yes, that's right.
Great. Anything else today? We also have some nice scarves and bags.
No, thank you. That's all for today.
Okay, let me ring these up for you at the register. Please follow me. So, 1 blue jacket and 1 pair of dark blue jeans. With the 20% discount, your total is $68.
That's perfect. Can I pay by card?
Yes, of course. You can insert your card here.
Done.
Thank you. Here's your receipt. Would you like a bag?
Yes, please.
Here you are. Thank you so much for shopping with us today.
Thank you for your help. You were very patient and kind.
You're welcome. I hope you enjoy your new clothes. Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Come back soon.
Good afternoon. How can I help you today?
Hi. I have a problem with my phone. It's not working properly.
Okay, no problem. What exactly is wrong with it?
Well, the screen is cracked and sometimes it doesn't turn on.
I see. Let me take a look. May I see your phone, please?
Sure, here it is.
Yes, the screen is quite damaged. When did this happen?
2 days ago, I dropped it on the street.
That happens a lot. And you said it doesn't turn on sometimes?
Yes, sometimes it turns off by itself, and then it won't turn back on for a few minutes.
Okay, that could be the battery or the screen connection. I need to run a diagnostic test to be sure.
How long does that take?
About 15 to 20 minutes. Would you like to wait or should I call you later?
I can wait, that's fine.
Great, please have a seat. I'll start the diagnostic now.
Thank you. Do you think it's expensive to fix?
Well, it depends on what we find. A new screen costs about $80 to $120, depending on your phone model. What phone do you have?
It's an iPhone 12.
Okay, for iPhone 12, a screen replacement is usually around $100. If there's a battery problem too, that's an extra $50.
Oh, so it could be $150 total? Yes, if both need to be fixed. But let me check first, maybe it's just the screen.
Okay, how long would the repair take? If we have the parts in stock, we can fix it today in about 2 hours. If we need to order parts, it takes 2 to 3 days.
I hope you have the parts here. I really need my phone for work.
I understand. Most screen parts we have here. Let me do the diagnostic and then I'll know for sure.
Thank you.
Okay, good news. The diagnostic is done.
What did you find?
The screen definitely needs to be replaced, but the battery is fine. It's working normally.
Oh, that's a relief. So I only need a new screen?
Yes, exactly. And we have the screen in stock, so we can fix it today.
That's great. How much will it cost?
The screen replacement for iPhone 12 is $95. That includes the part and the labor.
Okay, that's not too bad. And you said 2 hours, right?
Yes, about 2 hours. Maybe a bit less if we're not too busy today.
Perfect. Yes, please go ahead and fix it.
Great, I'll start right away. Can I have your name and phone number for our system?
Sure. My name is Jennifer Clark. My number is 555-0123.
Thank you, Jennifer. Can I also see your ID, please, just for our records?
Of course.
Perfect, thank you. Now, I'll give you a receipt. Keep this safe. You'll need it to pick up your phone.
Okay. Will my data be safe, like my photos and contacts?
Yes, don't worry. We only replace the screen. We don't touch any data on your phone.
That's good to know. Do I need to pay now or later?
You can pay when you pick up the phone. We accept cash and cards.
Perfect. So I should come back in 2 hours?
Yes, around 4 p.m. But I can call you when it's ready if you give me your number. Oh wait, I already have it.
Haha, yes you do. But How will you call me if you have my phone?
Good point. Do you have another number I can call?
You can call my work number. It's 555-0987.
Perfect. I'll call you when it's ready.
Great! Is there anything else I need to know?
Just one thing. The new screen comes with a 3-month warranty. If there are any problems, bring it back and we'll fix it for free.
Oh, that's good. Thank you.
You're welcome. We'll take good care of your phone.
I appreciate it. So, I'll see you in a couple of hours?
Yes, or I'll call you if we finish earlier.
Perfect. Thank you so much for your help.
No problem. That's what we're here for. Have a nice afternoon.
You too. Bye.
Goodbye.
Hi, I'm back for my phone.
Hello again, Jennifer. Your phone is ready. Let me get it for you.
That was fast. Thank you.
Here it is. The screen is completely new. Let me turn it on and show you.
Wow, it looks perfect. Like a new phone.
Yes, and everything is working fine now. I tested it several times.
Excellent. How much do I owe you?
That's $95, please.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, of course. You can use the card reader here.
Done.
Thank you. Here's your receipt. Remember, you have a 3-month warranty on the screen.
Perfect. I'll keep this safe. Thank you so much for the quick service.
You're very welcome. Be careful with your phone.
I will. I'll definitely buy a good case now.
That's a smart idea. Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye.
Bye. Take care.